So hello everyone, welcome to Yourpedia. So today we will do some practice question for your BEL exam. So there are 25 questions. We will start with some question related to the reasoning topic. So our first question, as you see, is related to the dice. So dice, what is the question is basically Q, Z, V, T, L and R are written different faces of dice. Two positions of the dice are shown in the figure. Below, find the letter opposite to the face Q. Now we have to find the opposite of Q. So remember one thing. First of all, you have to compare both the dice. If I compare both the dice, I found what is common between them. We find that it is V is common between them. So I start with V. Now I am taking the first dice. After V it is Z, take Z here. After Z it is Q, take Q here. Now first dice is completed. Now move to the second dice. After V it is L and after L it is T. And what is remaining in the all the alphabets put into denominator. What is remaining? A. So I put A here. So I get this ki the opposite of V is A and opposite of Z is L and opposite of Q is T. So we have to find opposite of Q. So we know that opposite of Q is T. So our answer will be B. That is the question. Okay, next question. Next question is from coding decoding. As he says that name is written as FNBO. Okay. So we know that N numbering is 14, A is on first, M in on 13, E on 6. Sorry, 5. F on 6, N on 14, B is 2 and O is 15. Now I am clearly see that this is the pattern. E plus 1 F, M plus 1 means 13 plus 1 14, A plus 1 B, N plus 1 15. So this is the pattern we have to made for similarly for the nail. Now I know that numbering of nail N is 14, A is 1, I is 9, L is 12. So I have to make what? 12 plus 1 13, 9 plus 1 what? 10, 1 plus 1 2 and 14 plus 1 15. So we know 13 is M and it is J, 10 is J, B and O. M, J, B, O. So our answer will be D. D is the answer. So you have to find out the pattern basically in the coding and decoding. Okay. Let's move to the next question. Third question is interchange. Here it is not plus, it is divide. So what will came in the place of question mark in the following equation if plus and minus are interchange and multiply and divide are interchange? So it is related to the question is related to the board mass. In board mass, first of all we have to divide, then multiply, then add, then subtract. So we have question is this. First of all interchange what? Plus and minus. Plus and minus की जगह we have to place plus की जगह we have to made minus. Now what he is saying that interchange, multiply and divide. So where is divide? We have to made multiply, and where is multiply? We have to made divide. Now board mass says that first of all divide. So if I divide, so I get 5 plus 4 into 9 minus 8. Now what we have to do? Divide, multiply. Now we have to multiply 5 plus 36 minus 8. Now what we have to add? 36 plus 5, 41 minus 8. What we get? What we get? We get 33. Okay? So our answer will be B. Okay. Now move to the next question. This is related to the completion of the series of the picture as first of all, I just take one of the figure from the particular figure. Let's say I'm taking that circle. Now in the second case, circle move here, means circle moves here to here, from here to here, from here to here. Now again circle will came here. So I have to find where is the circle here. So this is the answer. That is simply we solve this. है ना? Next question is from syllogism. So syllogism में we have to make diagram from statement. Statement, some tears are dropped. Some tears are drops. Some drops are streams. Okay. All streams are rivers. This is the question. Conclusion. All tears can never be river. ऐसा we didn't get this from the statement. ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं हो सकती. So first is wrong. Next, some drops are river. Some drops are river. Yes. So second is right. All tears being stream is a possibility. Whenever there is a possibility in question, it will always be right. 99.99% it is always right. So our second and third statement are correct. So the question answer is B. Both second and third conclusion follow. Next question is from basically alphabet series. So we have to find what came here. So first of all, just write down this question and Q U M Q O T I N M S. So first of all, it is what 25, 26, U 21, W 23. Okay. This is Q is 17, T is 20, Q is again 17, and it is U. U is 21. M is 13, Q is how much? 17, O is 15, T is 20. I is 9, N is 14, M is how much? 13, S is how much? 19. So I have to see that what pattern is particularly going on. So I start with from here. 17 to 13 means plus minus 3, minus 4, sorry. 20 to 17 minus 3, 17 to 15 minus 2, 21 to 20 minus 1. Okay, good. Similarly, 13 to 9 minus 4, 17 to 14 minus 3, 15 to 13 minus 2. So I get the pattern minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So this is the pattern going on. So similarly from here, 25 minus 4, 21, minus 3, 23, minus 2, 19, minus 1, 22. And I know that 21 is U, 23 is W, 19 is S, 22 is V. U, W, S, V. U, W, S, V. So our answer will be A. Okay? So this is from alphabet. Next question is from number series. So number series 1, 3, 10, 41 question mark 1, 2, 3, 7. So I have to make 1, 2, 3. So how can I make 1, 2, 3? So you have to understand that how can I make 1, 2, 3 then 3 to 10. So if I approach this question, can I do this 1 into 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 into 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. Okay. 10 into 4 plus 1 is equal to 41. I get the pattern. Similarly, 41 into 5 plus 1. What I get? 5 was a 5. 206. 206 and I will check also 206 into 6 1237. Okay, okay, our answer will be D. So D will be the answer. So this is the pattern basically into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 plus 1 into 5 plus 1. Next question is related to the mirror image. So select the correct mirror image in given figure. So we know that for the mirror image, we know that we have to just rotate this. Okay? How to rotate this? Like this. So if I rotate this, it will be U as it is, W as it is, X as it is. But when I rotate J, J will be this one and M will also the same. So where I can get this U, W. यहाँ पे ऑप्शन में देर इज सम मिस्टेक. अगर आप इसको करना चाहें U, W, X, इसको कर लीजिए J, W. सो ये हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. कंप्लीटिंग द सीरीज ऑफ फिगर. सो पहले मुझे दिख रहा है ऐसे है, फिर ऐसे हुई, फिर ऐसे, सो नेक्स्ट ऐसे. सो B विल बी द आंसर. Next question is from the direction sense test. As we know that Anita is standing in facing north direction. So these are the direction: north, south, east, west, northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast. Now she turns 135 degree. She is facing north. She is facing north. I am taking other color. She is facing north. She turned 135 degree. I know that this is 45 degree. This is total 90 degree and this is total 135. Now she came into southwest direction. Okay? In anti-clockwise direction. This is the anti-clockwise direction. This is the clockwise direction. Now after that she turns 90 degree. Now she turned 90 degree means 45, 90. So currently he is which direction? Northwest. So our answer will be C. Northwest will be the answer. B was taking a morning walk. She start from a point and walk 50 meters towards east. Okay, 50 meters towards east. ठीक है. She then takes a right turn. A right turn means she is here and the right turn will be here. So right turn and move 30 meters. Next, right turn and walk 30 meters. Turns right again and walk 50 meters. Now he is here. Turn right again and move 50 meters. Okay, this he came to that place. She takes a final left turn and walk 10 meters. Left turn here and 10 meters. How far she from original starting point? So we know that original starting point is this A. Stop is here. So if I calculate it directly, that is 30, that is 10 and plus is equal to 40. So our answer will be 40 in south direction. If I have to find the direction also, then it will be in the south direction. Pointing towards a photo, Mahesh said, "She is the daughter of the only son of my father." Blood relation से question है. How is the girl in the photo related to Mahesh? Pointing to a girl towards a photo, Mahesh. This is the Mahesh pointing towards a photo of a girl. She is the daughter of the only son of my grandfather. Means Mahesh father's father is the grandfather. Grandfather's son is his father. ठीक है, that is Mahesh father. Now what he is saying that she is the daughter of the only son of my grandfather. मेरे पिता के my father's grandfather only son's daughter. So these both are sister brother sister. So she will be his sister. ठीक है. Next is again from the basically blood relation. The question is that looking at a woman walking into the park, a man said, "This woman is the daughter of the sister of my father." Woman is walking in the park. A man said that this woman is the daughter of the sister of my father. My father, he is the father, sister, daughter. Means his aunt's daughter. Means बुआ की लड़की है उसके यानी के. So these both are cousins. है ना? So our answer will be cousin. Next question is related to the sitting arrangement. So as you find here that Paresh is 14 from the left and Dilip is 16 from the right in a line of student. When both Paresh and Dilip interchange their position, ranking से है basically ये, the position of Dilip becomes 21st from the right. How many students are there? So मैं एक simple चीज बताता हूँ. For the case of interchange, what you have to do? Total student if you have to find. ठीक है? How many student? We know that Paresh ranking is given 14th and Dilip ranking is given 16th. When both interchange their position, Dilip's interchange position is 21st. So remember, in the case of interchange, what you have to do? Who have only one ranking, take that ranking. Who have interchange ranking, take that ranking plus that and minus 1. You will simply get the total student. So the total student is 34. This is the approach for the interchange. When you have to find the total student, what you have to do? We have to take one ranking for both of them. So it consists of only one, we have to take that. But it has two ranking. So we have to take interchange ranking. So we put here and minus 1. Group of 7 friends, Maisha, Myra, Heer, Tia, Yash, Sia, Arnav, each are a different height. Sia is third tallest. Okay. First of all, they are the 7. Okay. I'm making 7 lines. 5, 6, 7. Maisha is the third shortest. Means Maisha is here. This is the sequence. Tallest is this one. Maisha is here. Okay. Third shortest among the friends. Sia is the third tallest. Sia is here. Okay, next Arnav is the taller than Yash and Sia. Means Arnav jo hai is the tallest than Yash and Sia. We know that Sia is here. So Arnav may be here or here. But let's see further. Heer and Tia are shorter than Myra. So Heer or Tia may be here. Or Heer or Tia may be here. Okay. Arnav is not the tallest. Now Arnav is not the tallest, so we have to put Arnav here. And we have to put Yash here. Because Arnav is greater than Yash and Sia. So remaining one is which one? Myra we have done, Tia we have done, Yash, Arnav, Maisha we have Myra is remaining. So Myra is the tallest one. So Myra is the answer. Okay. Sitting arrangement, 5 people, pentagonal. First of all, draw pentagon. This is the pentagonal shape. And towards center they are facing. This is the facing center there. Okay. Ram is the immediate left of Rohan. Ram is immediate left of Rohan. Means Rohan's left is Ram. Sunita is not an immediate neighbor of Ram. Means Sunita may be here or here. He is not immediate, she is not immediate neighbor of Ram. Chandan is an immediate neighbor of both Sunita and Seema. So we have to put Sunita here and Chandan here. And Neighbor of both Sunita and Seema here, because he is the immediate neighbor of both Sunita and Seema. So what will be the position of Sunita with respect to Ram? Sunita occupies third place from Ram in the anti-clockwise direction. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Sunita occupies third place from Ram in anti-clockwise direction. ठीक है. Okay, next. Sunita occupies third place from Ram in a clockwise direction. No. Sunita occupies second place from Ram clockwise. No. So our option will be first. Sitting arrangement, 8 girls sitting in octagonal. So we have to draw octagonal. How to draw octagonal? B is sitting between G and D. B is sitting between G and D. Okay. H is third to the left of B. H is third to the left of B. Left of B. 1, 2, 3. H is third to the left of B. ठीक है. 1 left, 2 left, third left. ठीक है. And second to the right of A. And second to the right of A. H is second to the right of A. Means A is here. ठीक है. H is third to the left of B and second to the right of A. C is sitting between A and G. Now we have to interchange these positions because C is between A and G. So we have to take here D. We can exchange this and we have to place C here. B and E are not sitting opposite to each other. So E should not be there. E should be here. Who is sitting third to the left of D? Third to the left of D. First, second, third. Means here. So remaining one is A is done, B is done, C is done, D is done, E is done, F is still remaining. So F will be the answer. So our answer will be F. Next question is, a man plants a mango trees basically in his garden in such a way that 21,025 क्या हो रहा है, trees in his garden basically in such a way that there are as many rows there mangoes tree in each row. Means rows भी उतनी है और उतने ही mango trees भी हैं. So basically find the number of rows. Basically he is saying that let's suppose in trees in his garden in such a way that there are as many as row. Let row is equal to x and let mango tree is equal to, in that row is equal to x. So x into x should be how much? 2105 21025 and it will be x square is equal to 21025. So x is equal to, if you find the square root, the method of find the square root, 1 ones are 1. We take couple here, 1 plus 1 2. So 5 5s are 25, 5 to the 10 11 12. It is not possible. 4 4s are 16. Yes, 4 96. We 4 here 28 and it is how much? 4 14 25. So next is 5 5s are 25, 42. Yes, so our answer will be what? 145 is our answer. That is the square root. What is the smallest 4-digit number formed by using digits 3506? So maximum, smallest 0, 3, arrange in the ascending order 5, 6. That is the number we can make by using this digit smallest. If he says largest, then what we can do? 6530. This is the largest. The base of a right angle triangle, it is a right angle triangle, so it is like this, that 20, and the difference between the other two sides is 6. Let one side is equal to 6 and other side is equal to, we can take x, we have to take x and 6 minus x. Okay? 6 plus x, sorry, 6 plus x, because when we do the difference, what we get? 6. Let's try to solve this. So one side I am taking, this one is x and this is 6 plus x. So we know that first of all we have to find out, we know that 6 plus x square is equal to x square, Pythagoras theorem we are using, 12 square. So what we get? We get a ka square 36 x square plus 2 12x is equal to x square plus 144 x square. Okay, now 12x is equal to 144 minus 36. If I subtract 144 to 36, then we get 648 and 108, basically 108 by 12. So it will be 9. Yes, 9. So our value of x will be 9. Okay. Now next is what we have to do. Just it will be 9 and it will be 6 plus 9, that is 15. Okay. Now the perimeter. What is the perimeter? Is basically add both the 12 plus 15 plus 9. So 27 plus 9, what we get? 36. So our answer will be 36 centimeter. This is the answer. Clear? Next question. How many numbers divisible between 1 and 700 completely divisible by 17? So this is an AP method we have to use here. We know that the first number 17, another is 34, and the last number which is divisible by 17, we have to just try it. So if we take 17 into 3, 51, and we can also 17 into 4, 68, 2, 17 ones are 17. There is a 3 more here, so we can subtract 3 from this. So the last term which is divisible by this is 697 is also divisible by 17. Now we know that last term is 697, a is 17, n minus 1 we have to find, difference is also 17. So what we have to do, 697 minus 17 is equal to n minus 1, 17. So when I subtract this, what we get? We get 680 by 17 is equal to n minus 1. And if I subtract this, what we get? Basically, I get it in, it will be on 40, I think, है ना? Yes, 40, and 40 plus 1 is equal to n. So our answer will be 41. ठीक है? And the short form of this question is, you will simply get from here also कि that is on the 41. So just you have to direct divide it. The ratio of present age of Alok and Anil. So we let assume 3x and 4x will be this is the Anil age and this is the Alok. Now what the question is, if Alok age is after 20 years from now will be 62. Means Alok present age is 3x, and from now if we add after 20 years, add 20 years, it will be what? 62. Then what is the present age of Anil? So what we have to do? 3x is equal to, that is 42, x is equal to 14. So x is equal to what? 14. And now if x is equal to 14, we have to 4 into Anil age. 14 into 4, we get the age of Anil is how much? 56. That is the answer. The population of a town is 8,000. If the men are increased by 8% and women by 12%, then the population will be 8680. In this question, let first of all assume, let men population is equal to x, or we can also take 8,000 minus x, and women population is equal to x. If we add both, we get 8,000. This is the total population. Now what he is saying, that if the men are increased by 8%, 8,000 minus x, 8%, matlab 108% of this, plus, and women by 12%. Women is how much? X into 112% is equal to, it will give the population 8680. So just you have to solve this, and if little bit I solve this, you will get the answer basically 1000. So multiply 8000 into 108 minus 108x plus 1112x is equal to 8680. So you will get the value of x is equal to 1000. So we know that women population is x, so our answer will be 1000. Okay? And the men population will be 7000. Okay? This is probability question. The question is basically that a box contains 2 black, 6 green, 4 yellow. Ball contain 2 balls picks up random. So we have to here we have to apply permutation and combination. So we have to just pick how many balls? 2. Out of how many green balls we have? We have to pick green from green box. So 6C2, and we have total balls is 12C2. So if I solve this, 6 factorial, 2, we know that NCR is equal to n factorial, r factorial, n minus r factorial. Okay? 2 factorial, 6 minus 2 factorial, and 12 factorial, that is 2 factorial again, and 12 minus 2 factorial. So if I solve this, what I get? 6 into 5 into 4 factorial, similarly into 4 factorial into 2 factorial, divide by 12 into 10, 11 into 10 factorial, in 2 factorial and into 10 factorial, 10 to 10 cancel, 4 to 4 cancel, 2 6 and 2 3. So 15 by 66, 5 3s and 2 2. So our probability will be D. So next question is area of trapezium. So area of trapezium is given 1792, and the perpendicular distance between two sides is also given. Now what the question is basically, the question says that if the length of one of the parallel side is 172, then find the length of the other side. We know that the formula is a plus b into height, that is the two parallel side of trapezium, and this is the height basically, a or b. Okay? So in this we have given area 1792 and 1 by 2. What is a here? We didn't know. One side is given as 72 and one is also 28. So 14, and if I divide 14 by 1792, so what I get, if I divide it, 14 ones are 14, and then I get 339 and 2 28, and then basically we get 128, then 128 is equal to a plus 72. If I subtract 128 from 72, I get 6, and here 56. So we get the value of A is equal to 56 and our answer will be B. So these are the 25 question for your BEL exam we have covered in this basically reasoning and aptitude. So thank you. Have a nice day.